Hello and welcome to this video where I'm gonna explain how a NOT gate works using a transistor and a breadboard. In the previous video I explained how a transistor works, so if you wanna check that out, you can find the link in the corner, in the right corner above. That said, let's see how a NOT gate works. A NOT gate has an input wire, an output wire and a constant voltage. When the input is off, the output of the NOT gate is on. When the input is on, the output is off. And that is represented in this breadboard. In this case, we have the input, which is controlled by this switch. So right now the input is off because the switch is not turned. Because the switch is off, the output is on. But if we switch the input on, the output, which is represented by this light, turns off. This happens because in this case, when we turn the switch on, the current starts flowing through the transistors and the voltage difference between these 2 points is zero. So current cannot flow between these 2 points because the electricity will take the low resistance path to the ground. In informatics term, we have if the input is off, the output is on. If the input is on, the output is off. Exactly represented in this case. Now the input is off, the output is on. If we turn the input on, the output is off. Thank you and stay tuned for my next video where I'm gonna explain how an AND gate works.